Previous to gyms, I applied for a contract to do a website for a company. I was told no, because I had no backing. I was an independent contractor. Then I rang them a couple of days ago while I'm been at training and basically said, hey, look, I've just joined the gyms group, bought a gyms franchise in IT, can I re-quote you? And she goes, no, it's all right, we'll bring you on, and I'm going for a meeting next week. The gym's brand name is probably what is exciting me more than anything at the moment, that the business will build because of that name. And if you didn't have that name, you can be as good as what you want to be, but you can't get your foot in the door. I came here the biggest skeptic you can ever make. I was willing to go home after this and say, no, I'm out, I'm done. But sitting there for 3 days, I probably learnt more about business in 3 days than I have in 10 years I've been an independent contractor. I think the biggest one was Jim. When he came in on that first day, and like I knew he was a real man, I knew he was a real figure, but I thought we'd actually just get a video of a guy at the front, yeah, I'm Jim, this is what I do, blah, blah, blah. But to actually see the man taking his time out for a multi-million-dollar business that he runs to come and talk to a bunch of people that he doesn't know, that really lifted the spirits to say, hey, look, he's dedicated. He's dedicated to raising his business. He's not sitting at home in a mansion just saying, oh, just give me the money, give me the money. I've got Jim's phone number in my phone now that I can ring the CEO of a major organisation. Who can do that? Who can ring the organisation's founder, CEO, managing director when you're having a problem? I'm sure people at Coles, Woolies, they can't do it. I mean, that gives you the faith that this business means something to him and it means something to everyone that works with him and for him.